A very good morning to you, children. I hope you all are fine and you have received your date sheet for the annual examination. So now is the time that when you should start studying hard, because if you will score good marks, definitely it will be easy for you to move on to the next class. So today in the English class, we are going to continue with the exercises of lesson 5, that is Crusoe finds a friend. In my previous class, I had discussed up to exercise J with you. So today we are going to continue with exercise K. Now exercise K is based on conjunctions, and if you remember in the previous online class we discussed conjunctions only, in which I explained you that conjunctions are also called the joining words. So exercise K, we have to fill in the blanks with the conjunctions. So let's begin. The first one is Karan was tired, so he didn't go to cinema with his friends. So is the conjunction which is used in this sentence. The second one is ants are tiny, but they work very hard. So but is the conjunction used here. Third one is John realized his mistake and he apologized. So and is the conjunction. Fourth one is Rajat had milk and fruits for breakfast. So and is used conjunction in this sentence. The fifth one is Nalin found the sums easy because he had practiced them. So because is used in this sentence as a conjunction. Now we move on to the next exercise. Exercise L. Again exercise L, we have to use conjunctions only. But this time we are combining the two sentences and making them as one with the help of a conjunction. The first one is the rain has stopped. The ground is still quite wet. These were the two sentences which have to be combined, and we have used but to combine both of them, and the single sentence becomes the rain has stopped but the ground is still quite wet. Second one is we need 40 runs to win, but there are no good batsmen left. The third one, you can bat and field. So and is being used here as a conjunction. Number fourth is hit a 6 on the last ball or we will lose the match. So 6 is needed, otherwise the match will be lost. So or. Number 5 is run fast and bowl a quick one. So these are the conjunctions which have been used to combine a few sentences. Now we move on to the next exercise, that is exercise M. So exercise M is we have to complete the sentences using when, while, after or as. Again these four are the conjunctions only, but as per the sentence we have to use them in the blanks. The number one is Ramesh could not go out to play as it was raining. So as is used in this sentence. Second one is Seema won a painting competition when she was young. So she won when she was young. Third one is the choir practiced a song while it waited for the bus. So while waiting for the bus, the choir practiced a song. Fourth one is all shops in the area closed after the 8 p.m. siren is sounded. So after is used in this sentence. Fifth one is your jacket is the right color as it is not flashy. So again, as we have to use in this sentence. So these were the few sentences and grammar exercises which were based on the topic of conjunctions from lesson number 5. And again, I think that conjunctions are now more clear to you because we discussed them in the grammar book also. So children, I would like to tell you that you should practice hard for your exams now and start studying well. The exercises which I have discussed today were the last exercises from chapter 5. So if we consider that in the literature, our syllabus of literature is complete now, and grammar we already are discussing in the online class. So if you have any doubts, we can clear them in the class. And today the exercises we have discussed, you are supposed to write them in your notebooks. Till then, have a nice day, study well for your exam, and farewell.